Let me tell you why I took my MICROLOCS out. And I want to start by saying, who the hell told me to put that many locks in my head? I had between 320 to 360 MICROLOCS in my head. I can't believe I thought I was going to be able to do it. I couldn't. I'm sorry, y'all. I know I'm a quitter. I gave up so early. I was only 10 months in and I failed. I feel like a failure. I feel as though the main reason I took them out was because they were DIY locks and I was the only one maintaining those locks. If I would have found a loctician, they might have still been in my head to this day and there wouldn't have been any complaints behind it. I do want to say I may have put them in for the wrong reasons. Or I did. I'm not going to say may. I did. I put them in for the wrong reasons. One reason was because I seen other black women and they just looked so good on them. I was just like, I have to have that style. I just have to because they look beautiful. I want to look like that. And no one ever talks about the maintenance. And, you know, it got to me. It got to me real bad. The second reason I put it in was because I wasn't doing my loose curls. I was just wearing it in a bun all the time. And I thought, hey, maybe I need a style that is low maintenance. But I was being delusional, clearly. MICROLOCS. Now I can see if I put in regular locks, but MICROLOCS is less maintenance. Absolutely not. I was like, oh, if I'm going 6 to 8 weeks in between getting my hair relocked, then I'm doing my hair less. No, honey, you have to take care of your hair in between those 6 to 8 weeks. And I wasn't doing that. I was not taking care of my hair. I was spritzing a little water, putting a little creamy crack in it, some grease, some oils, but I wasn't actually taking care of it the right way. After 10 months of having locks and not taking care of my hair properly, my hair became super unhealthy and my hair was falling out drastically. And at first I really didn't notice. My hair is normally super long. And my grandma was like, whoa, your hair is getting short. What's going on? And I was like, oh, it's probably falling out, Kiki. But no, seriously, my hair was breaking off from the bottom. I haven't gotten a haircut in about a year or more. And when I put my locks in, the blonde was up here. Where's all the blonde? Where's it at? It fell off. My blonde fell off. So I was like, okay, whatever, the blonde needs to go anyway. I've had it for 2 years and my hair is super dry. But when it started splitting from the middle of a MICROLOC, that's when I was really concerned about what was going on and what I wasn't doing. When it came to interlocking my hair, well, it was painful standing in the bathroom for hours. Sometimes it would take me 3 weeks to re-lock my hair. I had to give up. I'm sorry. I gave up because I was like, who's going to be am I going to interlock my hair myself for the rest of my life? I said, no, I have to take this out. I have to take this out. I absolutely had to take it out. And that's what I did. And the fourth reason, the locks were budding so terribly that when I went to go interlock it, it started snagging at the roots because they expanded so wide and they budded so loopy. I'll be inserting images probably like right here. It was bad. And I just had to make I feel like it was the right decision. I will look into getting locks in the future, but I think I will have to actually go to a professional and they would have to just be my loctician because I can't do it myself. It's just not for me. Before anyone asks, it took me 3 weeks to take my hair out. My hair is normally super long. My hair... God dang.